Welcome to Healing in Nature.
So if you're struggling with low back pain on your walks, again, find that bench. We are going to straddle the bench. It's fine. Hey, Michael, you want to come? Michael, you want to come here? You can come on up. You can bring your dog with you. You're going to sit up very tall. Place your hands behind your back. Lengthen your spine. Feel your lumbar spine engaged. Now, I need to lift up one leg, Michael. Can you please move? Okay, come on. Thank you. You lift. Oh man, I'm tight. Michael, come. Take one leg on the bench and hinge forward. Feel that stretch in your hamstring. Breathe. Try to make sure the foot is flexed. Back is long. Lumbar spine engaged. Then release. Hold it for 30 seconds and switch to the other side. And again, foot is flexed. You're going to hinge forward with a nice flat back. Michael, come on up. And Michael, come here. Michael. Hey, Michael, come here. Michael, come here. Michael, come here. Michael, turn around. Michael, come here. And, and give your dog a big hug. And both of you can finish the walk. You want to go? You want to go? Let's go.